So praise siya for,
Kala mo, mas malakas pa rin ako sa'yo.
praise siya for your walk, and praise siya sa nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. This is not just about your money and your job and business and your endeavor, but just to have that peace inside the family, amongst family members is already something that you should be thankful for. Sobrang malaking bagay yun. Alam niyo, ang dami nangyayari ngayon na you can watch TikTok, YouTube, whatever, all this family, the fathers raping the kid, the grandparents raping here and there, yung lahat ng mga literally evil of this world. And let's praise the Father and give Him all really the glory and the honor na binibigay niya sa atin lahat through this ministry, through this leadership, na binibigay niya tamang kaalaman, ng wisdom, information, knowledge, including your health, physically, mentally, your mindset, into becoming like you're supposed to be on how He intended and how He created you as the original. Kasi He loved us. Bago mo siya nakilala ngayon sa MTY structure, mahal ka na niya eh. See, people don't realize that. Well, the Christian would say, we are loved by Yahweh, by the foundation of the earth. No, they don't know the context and the meaning of it. And that's why stay in me, stay in the vine, Yeshua, diba? Like the branch and the branch, and lahat ng mga yan. So, I'm really happy na So, ayoko nang babae dahil marami akong pwedeng sabihin pa. I can stay here for another 12 hours. The Binawanan knows that. So, next, si Tatay Lito.
Yeah, like I said, hanggat gusto mo pang mag-suffer, okay lang yan, kaya mo yan. Pag di mo na kaya, dito lang ako, naghihintay lang ako. Tuloy mo lang yung wilderness mo, which is the Deuteronomy 8:2, and like I said kanina sa quiz, that's the most important part of this walk. You know, Rabbi would always say to Deuteronomy 8:2 that I humbled you in the wilderness, you know, feed you with manna and everything. That's Deuteronomy 8:2. Bumalik ka, sorry, sa exam. Alright, we're gonna go next. Then after this, we'll have the meal, and then we'll start the Gadol. We'll be reading the Psalms. Yeah, kailangan ng battery. So main course, share. Oh yeah, perfect. So then we'll be preparing the meal.
Good evening po, praise ya. Sobrang thankful po namin kay Teacher Jet. Dahil din kay Gabe na mahilig talaga yan mag-prosecute pagdating sa paniniwala niya. And nung mula ko pa lang talaga si Teacher Jet na nakachat sa WhatsApp ata yun, sabi ko, nakita ko na talaga sa kanya yung angas. Sabi ko, ito yung leader na gusto kong maging leader. Kasi marami na akong napagdaanan na religion. Born again.
Yay!
Well, I was gonna get up here and cry because but then the other ladies here, they took my stool with them. I want to tell two quick stories. This is for you and for Rabbi Steve. She is 5, almost 6 months old, and there is a teacher on YouTube, Teacher Rachel. Teaches her words that you've probably seen me use some hand signals tonight. I learned. We'll sit her down in front of the laptop in front of Teacher Rachel, and it is like giving her candy. I do the same thing with Rabbi Steve. Anyway.
So, thank you. Thank you everyone for sharing with the cause. Kuya Joshua, gusto mo ba magsalita, Kuya Josh?
Or something. Yeah.
Nasa iyo naman. You want something? Okay. While we prepare for the food. So, we're just gonna prepare for the dinner. We'll have our dinner. And then we'll have, while we're having the dinner, then we can start the Gadol to read the Psalms as well. I have instructed you guys to read. And then I'm just waiting for the batteries so that you guys can use the microphone. Psalms, we're having dinner, you know.
So next, after this, we'll have the meal, and then we'll start the Gadol. We'll be reading the Psalms. Kaya kailangan ng battery. So may course, share. Oh yeah, perfect. So they'll be preparing the dinner.
Sobrang thankful po namin kay Teacher Jed dahil din kay Gabe na mahilig talaga yan mag-proceed pagdating sa
I am a companion of all inferior, and of those guarding your orders, O Yahweh. Your love commitment has filled the earth, teaching your laws. 10. You have done good to your servant, O Yahweh, according to your word. Teach me good sense and knowledge, for I have trusted in your commands. Before I was afflicted, 124. 1:5.
And your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. I have sworn and I confirm to guard your righteous right rulings. I have been afflicted very much, O Yahweh, revive me according to your word. Please accept the voluntary feelings of my mouth, O Yahweh.
Yay!